Before installing the Mac OS, make sure the memory integrity is off. Search for core isolation. Check if it is off. Then close it. Go to command prompt, run as administrator. Type bcredit space slash set hypervisor launch off, then enter. The operation completed successfully. Then restart your computer. After restarting, download the VirtualBox. Go to Google Chrome and search for VirtualBox. After searching VirtualBox, click Oracle VirtualBox in the first. Then click Download. Choose Windows Host for Windows. After downloading, make sure to download also the Mac OS. Go to archive.org details Mac iOS. Click ISO image. Click Big Sur 11.7.1 ISO, then wait for it to download. After downloading, make sure to install the VirtualBox. Then, after installing, click New. Just type Mac OS in the file name. Then, for the ISO image, make sure to click Others. Then, choose the Big Sur that you downloaded in the Mac OS ISO image. Click Next. On the base memory, I have 8 gig of RAM, so I will choose half of it. To check the ROM, just click Folders, click this PC, right click, then check Properties, and then you can see it. There's an 8 gig RAM for my computer. To check your processor, just search for Windows Task Manager. Type it, then check more details, click Performance, and on my computer, I have 4 core. So I will assign half of it. Click Next, then as you can see, there is a disk size here. I will assign my computer to 347.55 gig. Then click Next, then click Finish. Make sure to check your file name. Go to command prompt, run as administrator, then open the file location for the Intel processor. Then just copy the Intel processor for the command prompt. Paste it on the command prompt, then close. Go back to VirtualBox, then click Settings. On the system, just click the display. Make sure that the video memory will input to 128 MB for the maximum. Check the storage, the audio, the network, the USB, and then click OK. Then click Start on the VirtualBox. The Mac OS will install now. Just wait for the VirtualBox to open and it will start for installing. Select for your preferred language, then click Next. Before installing the macOS Big Sur, click this utility, then click Continue. Choose the VBox hard disk media, then click Erase. Rename the file name to Virtual Mac Disk, then click Erase. Then, after you click Erase, wait for it and click Done to continue. Close the disk utility and click Install macOS Big Sur, then click Continue. Click Continue, click Agree, and click Agree again. Then, choose Virtual Mac Disk and click Continue. It may take several minutes to install your Mac OS. Just wait for it. Once the installation is complete, you will select your country or region. For me, I am here in the Philippines, so I will choose Philippines. Then, click Continue. Click Continue for accessibility, click Not Now. Then, click Continue for data privacy and an immigration assistant set up later. Set up also your Apple ID later, then click Agree. Type your full name, your account name, your password, and in the hint, it is optional. And then after it, click Continue. On the Express setup, just click Continue. On the Analytics, just click Share and Continue. Set up later for the screen time. For Siri, click Continue, Continue again, then choose Voice 1, Continue. Improve Siri and dictation, click Not Now, and then click Continue. In your system preferences, for me, I will choose the dark theme, and then click Continue. On the identifying keyboard, just press it, then click Done. Your Mac OS will now start. Thank you. You can now enjoy the Mac OS. Thank you.